Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Your friend GM is here to present some information about William Wordsworth, the famous poet of Romantic movement. Literature is incomplete without the mention of William Wordsworth. The paper setter sets some question about William Wordsworth in APSC, PPSC exams. First, you are watching miscellaneous MCQs on William Wordsworth's the slide I have made. The second one is my request to viewers: please subscribe my channel GMT by clicking youtube.com below to meet new information and videos in English language and literature. Thanks. Now, I am going to start an introduction to William Wordsworth. He was born at Cockermouth in 1770. His father's name was John Wordsworth. He spent his childhood among shepherds. He was the first son of John Wordsworth. He was 18 years old when his mother died. His father died when he was 14 years old. He went to Cambridge when he was 16 years old. He went to Cambridge St. John College to get his education. William Wordsworth was admitted to Hawkshire School in Lancashire. William Wordsworth visited France twice, first time in 1790. An evening walk and sketches were published in 1793. Regular classes couplet used by him in an evening walk and sketches. His poetic genius was stimulated by his friend S.T. Coleridge. His friendship began with his friend S.T. Coleridge in 1796. A lyrical ballad was published in 1798. It was published with the help of S.T. Coleridge. His friend was married in 1802 to Mary Hutchinson. The poetical movement originated by him with the Romantic movement. His friend Russell Colvert left him some legacy. He began his family feast in Lake District. He was made poet laureate in 1853 after the death of Suday. He wrote a large number of lyrics that can stir deepest emotion. He wrote a Lucy poem, Thus Nature Spoke, the work was done. He gives charm of novelty to think of every day. His autobiographical poem is called Prelude. He chooses low and rustic love for his poetry. He received first honorary degree from the University of Durham in 1838. He was awarded another honorary degree from the University of Oxford. His greater part of his visit to France spent in Orleans. He was supporter of grandest political party of France. He wrote a letter to Cardiff in favor of French Revolution. That's the end of my first video on William Wordsworth. In future, I shall share more videos on English language and literature to give some information about movement, about poet, and about literary piece of works. Please connect to me by sharing, liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you so much to listen it.